Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Holy Rebbe Levi ben Sor Sasha Mebarditchev Schus Yigel and Inglis. This week's Parshas Acharei Kedushas. In the Parshas Acharei in the book of Leviticus, chapter 18, verse 4, we read as Mishpatai Tasu V'Chukos Tishmoru, that you should perform my judgments, one type of laws, and keep my statutes, a different type of laws. The Kedushas Levi explains that the statutes are the commandments that have no rational understanding or meaning. And the judgments are the commandments that have a rational understanding. So the truth is, the Kedushas Levi shares something very deep, that when a person performs the commandments that have no rational understanding or meaning, that's a psychological and spiritual means to purify one's mind and soul, and through this one can gain understanding of the commandments that have a rational understanding. However, if someone fools himself to think, I'm going to be so rationalistic, I'm only going to do the commandments that have a plain, obvious, rational understanding, you're going to lose the rationality as well, because you have no understanding or knowledge or intellect to understand in order to perform the commandments that do have a meaning, without showing and expressing one's faith and jumping into the commandments that do not have a plain meaning. And that's what it means. You should keep my statutes. The one performs the commandments that are statutory, that have no rational understanding, that purifies the mind, the intellect, intellectually, spiritually and psychologically, in order to gain the energy with which to understand even the commandments that have a rational understanding and to perform them. V'zo is mishpatai tasu, and that's what it says you should perform my judgments. This is hinted to further in the verse where it says in Leviticus 18:5, the next verse, that these are the commandments that a person should perform and live by them. That when you perform the commandments, then you come to understand that your whole life force is dependent on the commandments. And so therefore that is the understanding that we have here, is that it's not enough just to read a book, right? You have to go and do the commandments. If you read a book about the Sabbath from Diane Grunfeld, you're not going to understand what the Sabbath is. But if you go keep Shabbos, and you go to the Shabbaton, and you keep a Shabbos, then you go back and read the book, then you can understand it. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kulikowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.